Welcome and welcome back, besties. Today I'm gonna give y'all a little apartment tour, an empty apartment tour before move-in day and stuff like that. So yeah, this is gonna be a short video, but it's gonna be hi. It's gonna be something, okay? So I know I haven't been with y'all in a moment, but yeah, I've been busy. Been doing things, y'all. Do it like my glasses crooked, baby. Okay. It is hot outside, so I need these glasses on. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a quick little apartment tour, empty apartment tour, so I can show y'all basically the layouts and the floor plans and things in that nature, whatever. Okay. We got the 3 doors. Hmm. In Frisco? Yeah. No, but this this is what I wanted. Either it was gonna be this or cause I like the 3 doors. Yeah. So when you first walk in, as y'all see where my daughter sitting at, it has where you hold your coats, sitting area, you put your shoes or whatever. Cause if y'all know I don't like people sitting or walking on the floors or whatever. And then as you see up there, it have LED lights. It has the double refrigerator, ice maker and stuff like that. It has the clear glass, and then it has stainless steel and black appliances. Like I said, the LED lights up there. And this what brought my attention to these apartments because y'all, look at her. It has a wine fridge, y'all. Who you know, boo-boo, who you know, it has a wine fridge. Then it has a pantry here. Well, I know because all those trees. But yeah, it is. Then it has the Allen, y'all. This is what I'm talking. That's what I'm saying. It has the Allen. It's not attached to the wall. It has the Allen, the dishwasher, and it has the deep sink. Y'all, this sink is very deep. And then look at the details of those lights, y'all. Look at the detail and okay, details. Y'all, that is magnificent kitchen area, y'all. That is amazing. Okay, details. So over here, y'all know your girl, huh? Yeah. So, here I come. It comes with the washer and dryer. Boop, 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 boop. Washer and dryer. Okay. That's what your girl like. I love me a good washer and dryer. And then now I'm about to take off my shoes because I'm coming. Because I don't like to walk on carpet. So this is gonna be my office / beauty room, y'all. Wait a minute, this probably not, I don't know. Get my daughter in there. Cause it's had a bathtub in here. And I love me a good bathtub. So it's probably the master room. I got my double sinks. Hey y'all. Okay. And then sanitized toilet new. Then you have your walk-in closet. Okay. what got me is these built-in shelves. I really like it. Closet is giving what it's supposed to be giving. It has 2 built-in shelves. Let me step back as you can see. Okay. Then we have the closet here. Huh? About what?
Mom, but you're not gonna like this one on one.
Oh, so this.
You're not gonna like this part.
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you, I still got 2 bathrooms.
That closet.
Oh.
Yeah.
And so, as you can see, I'll make this my master room, y'all, because what are you doing? Excuse me? Hello?
What?
I'm doing
it. About having second thought.
So,
Real.
this has, as you can see, it has the views, honey. It's right off the freeway, which I'm loving it. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'll probably go ahead and make this my master room because I love a good view. You hear me? And of course, this has a shower, and this restroom, a stand-up shower. Very tall, y'all, very tall. And then have the over here, and then it has a walk-in closet over here as well.
Well, they gonna be the same complex as you?
Yep. Thought that's what you was gonna do.
Like, I liked it, but I don't think close to it. We won't just get a house.
And then you walk out. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end up making this. I don't know if I want. Y'all, I'm so indecisive. Don't forget to come in and subscribe, but leave a comment down below if y'all think I should make this one. They got the views. My master bedroom, or this one over on this side that has the one goddamn window, and it's got the semi views with the tree. If the tree wasn't right there, y'all, I have the views. But I kind of want this to be my master bedroom. I really don't even too much care because I leave it don't, too much matter to me because I have to have my garden tub. Like, that's a plus. And then this closet is so much bigger than the other one. So, oh, help me. I don't know, y'all. I got to know. Like, I don't know which one I'm going to make my master bedroom. Why y'all didn't tell me it was something on my face? Like, y'all so rude. Y'all is rude. Y'all should have told me it was something on my face. And your girl would have got it out, bestie. You supposed to be bestie, supposed to be here. I don't understand why it's intimidated on my face. But yeah. I don't want to do no thumbnail on it because my girl got no lashes on. But I'm going to show y'all these outside views, okay? So if we walk out here, this is the patio. And it's just, patio. It's just the patio. I wanted kind of a big patio, but I mean, this will do. It is what it is. It is what it is, okay? It's nice. Okay. So, just let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm trying these lights. Y'all see that? Okay. Just let me know what y'all think in the comments. Yeah, I like this dishwasher. It's touchscreen. Okay. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Make sure y'all share. Okay? Because we're here. I know how I'm going to be on here consistent. But we're here. Okay? And you know, let's
I'm gonna go ask them.
get it going, okay?
Oh,
She's too cute, y'all. My kids, one thing about it and two things for sure, my babies are beautiful. And my grandson. Okay.
cause I'm gonna, yeah, my baby here.
Cause what happened?
My baby, he really did that weekend.
He did what?
That face.
What face?
He really handsome.
Oh, he did. He really handsome. He really did that. He
I
really
can't say
handsome.
because people be thinking he's wrong when they hear say handsome.
So y'all, we about to go get back on the elevators. We call it a day. We had went out to Gloria's to go eat. If y'all know about Gloria's, the latte, what is it called?
No, we gotta go to the other part.
We do gotta go get the other car. We gotta get my daughter's other car because
We left it.
we left it because we went out to eat and stuff or whatever. So, like I said, we hit y'all back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. My besties, I love y'all. I hope y'all love me too, or whatever. I hope y'all enjoy the place. Your girl is tired. I'm full. And yeah, bye.